What to do if you have dry eyes? Top 3 dry eye syndrome causes. First, dry eye syndrome may be clogged tear glands. Perhaps this is a problem associated with the condition of dry eye syndrome. The second problem is the lack of blinking. If a person blinks less than 40 times per minute, this causes a lack of eye rest, insufficient secretion of tear fluid, and eye strain. The third problem of dry eyes can be excessive use of any cosmetic that blocks the production of lubricating fluid in the eyes. Top 3 dry eyes treatments naturally. Firstly, you can try to massage the lacrimal glands and massage around the eyes. The tear fluid is made up of 3 components. These are certain fats, and this is not tearing fluid when a person cries. The one that we cry is called a reflex tear, and it's slightly different in quality characteristics. Each of these components has several necessary elements for eyes. Dry eye syndrome needs to stop one way or another. Poorly functioning glands need to be activated. It is precisely this part of the face and these glands that can stop working due to some kind of cosmetics, for example. The result of a response to some kind of cosmetic can be just a dry eye, and it can manifest itself in this way. So you can do eye exercises. You have to try and see what happens. Second, you need to be overall healthy, and to be healthy is to feel great. A healthy lifestyle improves vision and eye health. The quality of vision also depends on a healthy lifestyle, and a healthy lifestyle means that you must introduce at least some simple exercises into your life and then diversify them with experience. At least some walking or running. For the brain and eyes to work well, at least some exercises needs to be done. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course to improve your eyesight naturally, to get rid of myopia or astigmatism, join my Eyesight Academy course, the link will be in the description below. Third, diet affects overall health and eye health. White bread, sugar, junk food and carbs in general impair vision. This is 100%. If you want to improve your vision, switch to a healthy diet, meat, vegetables, fruits, and everything will be fine. Reduce the number of sweets and replace them with fruits.